we don't have stability in our smallest delimited areas. At stability ito yagite nginya matura-ini maria manini no murenda guthi Singapore. Bururi werirwo ugie na stability no kimegia na make sure kuu kwa gutikaigua ngui na gutikaigua hui. Ungirora umuthi mabũrũri ndũrĩrĩ hena ndũrĩrĩ itu ciukagirira ndũrĩrĩ ringi muno. Ugakora na kukuguo na gukuguo kundu kwenda maita gwa Pokot no kurwa mararwa na Turukana. Politically ri ukaigua miario miruru muno yakiario kuma ruguru yerekeire mundu wa Mount Kenya ikiuga mundu wa Mount Kenya ni muhunu ni atige kuheo. That's a country that is going to Singapore. You're not going to Singapore. Wagire ni kwamba make seamlessly without even a struggle. Ona mutira struggle gukorwo mukimenya you are in Kenya, you are one, mwifururi umwe ni mwendaine. By the way, you are 45 46 ethnicity groups in terms of communities. It's your diversity, it's your pride. Mwagire ni kugarura ndeto ya gukorwo haha hena mujaruo muikamba mugikuyu mumigarure ituike pride. Ni undu wa gwitira ona ni mu celebrateaga muno because that diversity is beauty by itself. No ri umuthi ni undu wa politics ni undu wa politician ri tomionaga tari kirumi ati ni ho turarwira. What are you fighting for? By the way, ono ngiona mu tiriki ucio waku kwa Jongo kana one mu mijikenda na gukwe president acoke okiara mate policies irahota guteithia ri. What do you care? Weli ugikorwo wi haha urugamite ha policy ira muto bururi ni njegari muramatiri ona ni ukwenda kumenya horo wake. Andu acio magicoka makirwa atiriri, you must clean Singapore from top to bottom. You make it clean. Na ku make it clean uririkane ya influence gonde gukorwo this particular place ni slum. Koguo nikio andu acio mokire na affordable housing program makiuga riu komikiri tu wikate mweheria slum ciothe mwikira affordable housing. Affordable housing ino thai turari horo wa thini wa Kenya ri ira address slum problem iriko agikorwo turaciaka Karau tugaciaka Makenji tugaciaka Murang'a koguo agire slum ri affordable housing yagira Kikuru gutari na slum. It is a very good program. Agikone kweheria Kibire thire, agikone kweheria Mukuru ethire, agikone kweheria Mathare thire, agikone kweheria Kiandutu guku thini wa nyamu ino itawata Thika ethire. We should be addressing that problem. Agikone turenda gukofia Singapore twagire ni gukorwo tukieheria those particular slums ciothe gucieheria. So even the land in which those slums are sitting, it should be the land that you are constructing this affordable housing.
Sheshe ni hakuhe nawe.